Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have admin rights, so start now by opening business. Facebook. Com and signing into the account tied to the page. You need the business name, business email, and a verified personal profile. These verify ownership and reduce friction. Once signed in, choose Create Account, enter the legal business name and work email, then confirm via the message sent to that email. Doing this first prevents permission conflicts later and makes inviting people, assets, and ad accounts straightforward. You now add the page into Business Manager. Go to Business Settings, open Accounts, then Pages. Select Add a Page if you manage it. Request access only when you lack ownership. Enter the page name or URL and submit. Facebook checks admin status and links the page automatically when ownership matches. Once connected, assign people roles, editor, admin, or moderator based on tasks. Make sure to grant minimum permissions needed for security, and save changes so roles propagate across ad and content tools. Finish by inviting team members in Business Settings. Right arrow people. Enter their work emails and assign roles tied to specific assets so access is scoped. Connect any ad accounts, Facebook pixel, and Instagram profiles under data sources and accounts to enable ads and tracking. Once done, review Security Center for two-factor authentication and business verification prompts. If something fails, retry the page ad flow. Confirm you're listed as a page admin on the page itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.